remember biology class? You read a lot of stuff in books, and if you were lucky, you might have looked at some slides under a microscope. Well, out on the porch tonight, Jim Swift tells us some cooperation between the Austin Nature and Science Center and a new South Austin Elementary School is landing some lucky students in the middle of a life-size laboratory.
Roger Stryker is a fifth-grade teacher at the Austin School District's new Baranoff Elementary School. And science is one of his favorite subjects.
Science is a natural thing for kids. They're going to enjoy it, and hopefully they'll take their knowledge and appreciation of nature into their adulthood.
And to help him unlock the mysteries of science, Stryker is blessed with a special tool at Baranoff.
I only live about a mile from here, and I used to come and take a look at it now and again. And I figured it'd be bulldozed, but it turns out that a wet pond is pretty important to a drainage area, so the project kind of built itself.
The project is an ongoing study of an old stock pond on the Baranoff School grounds, a pond that these days forms an integral part of the neighborhood's drainage system. And despite the fact that the neighborhood regularly contributes runoff to the pond, the young scientists are impressed by the water's vitality.
It's healthy because otherwise it wouldn't have anything living in it.
We made it so that nobody can destroy the pond. We declared it a wetland. And so this is going to be like a study for stewardship.
It looks kind of like, if you take a close-up of a snake, it looks kind of like the scales or the bottom of the snake.
Got it.
I think that's a good analogy.
Mike Lyday is a City of Austin biologist who helped preserve the pond during the development phase of the neighborhood.
I remember last time when we came out, there wasn't a whole lot of algae, but now there just seems to be more.
You don't have what I would call an algae bloom or an algae problem here.
Now he makes regular return visits to the school to help the kids understand the importance of what's right in their own backyard.
What I did as a kid is walk out in the woods with my dogs and go up and down creeks and find everything I could, catch crawdads, as I'm sure a lot of other kids do today, and that's exactly the reason I studied biology.
What's hair? Well, those hairy-looking things are his gills. That's how he breathes.
30 years after a rancher built a tank to water the bodies of his cattle, the same pond now feeds the minds of our children. Out on the porch, Jim Swift, KXAN News.
And those students won first runner-up honors in a nationwide unit.